Cleaning windows is one of the most annoying chores ever, especially if you've got large glass panels, high windows, or mirrors that always show streaks. But in 2026, robot window cleaners are smarter, faster, and way more reliable than ever before. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot window cleaners you can buy right now, from powerful suction robots to premium self-spraying AI cleaning machines that practically do the work for you. And trust me, number 1 is seriously impressive. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is HUTT W8. The HUTT W8 robot window cleaner transforms one of the most frustrating household chores into a completely hands-free experience. Designed for modern homes with large glass panels, sliding doors, mirrors, and high windows, this intelligent cleaning robot combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and effortless convenience in one sleek device. At first glance, the HUTT W8 impresses with its compact and minimalist design, but its real power comes from the advanced cleaning technology packed inside. Equipped with high-strength suction, the robot securely attaches to glass surfaces while moving smoothly across windows to remove dust, fingerprints, water spots, and everyday grime with precision. Whether you're cleaning floor-to-ceiling windows or hard-to-reach exterior glass, the W8 handles the job confidently and efficiently. The intelligent path planning system ensures full window coverage while reducing missed spots and unnecessary repetition. Unlike traditional manual cleaning, the HUTT W8 works consistently across the entire surface, leaving behind cleaner and clearer glass with less effort. Its dual-wheel movement system provides stable operation while helping the robot glide smoothly over various glass surfaces. Safety is another major highlight. The built-in backup power system helps keep the robot attached even during sudden power interruptions, while the included safety rope adds extra peace of mind when cleaning high-rise windows. Despite its strong performance, the HUTT W8 operates quietly, making it ideal for apartments, offices, and family homes. One of the best things about the HUTT W8 is its simplicity. Setup takes only a few moments, and the user-friendly controls make operation easy for anyone. Instead of spending hours wiping windows manually, users can relax while the robot handles the hard work automatically. Coming in at number 4 is the Ecovacs WinBot W3 OMNI, a cleaner designed for convenience and modern smart home living. The Ecovacs WinBot W3 Omni brings premium automation and intelligent cleaning together in a sleek, futuristic package designed to make window cleaning effortless. Built for homeowners who want spotless glass without the hassle of manual scrubbing, this advanced robot window cleaner combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and next-generation convenience to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience from start to finish. From the moment you unbox it, the WinBot W3 Omni feels like a premium smart home device. Its elegant design and advanced Omni station instantly stand out, offering not only charging and storage, but also a more organized and user-friendly cleaning setup. Instead of dealing with messy cords and complicated preparation, users can enjoy a streamlined system designed for simplicity and efficiency. The real magic begins once the robot starts cleaning. Equipped with intelligent path planning technology, the WinBot W3 Omni carefully scans the window surface and follows optimized cleaning routes for maximum coverage. The advanced cleaning system removes dust, fingerprints, water spots, and everyday dirt while maintaining consistent movement across the glass. Whether it's floor-to-ceiling windows, balcony glass, mirrors, or office panels, the robot delivers smooth and reliable results with minimal effort. Its powerful suction system keeps the robot firmly attached to vertical surfaces, while built-in edge detection sensors help it navigate safely around window frames and borders. Even on larger windows, the W3 Omni moves efficiently and confidently, reducing cleaning time while maintaining impressive precision. Safety and convenience are at the heart of the design. Backup power protection and safety tether support provide extra peace of mind during operation, especially on higher windows. At the same time, the quiet motor operation makes it suitable for apartments, homes, and workspaces without causing unnecessary noise or disruption. At number 3, we've got the Ecovacs WinBot W2S, one of the best all-around robot window cleaners for most people. The Ecovacs WinBot W2S is a smart and efficient robot window cleaner designed to make glass cleaning faster, easier, and far less stressful. Combining intelligent navigation, advanced spray technology, and reliable suction power, this modern cleaning robot offers a premium experience while remaining practical enough for everyday use. Whether you're dealing with large home windows, mirrors, sliding doors, or office glass panels, the WinBot W2S delivers impressive cleaning results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the WinBot W2S is its upgraded spray cleaning system. Instead of simply wiping dry surfaces, the robot sprays cleaning solution evenly across the glass before wiping away dirt, fingerprints, dust, and smudges. This creates a cleaner, more polished finish while helping reduce streaks that are common with manual cleaning methods. The intelligent navigation system allows the robot to detect window edges and automatically calculate the most efficient cleaning route. As it moves smoothly across the surface, the WinBot W2S maintains stable suction and consistent pressure to ensure reliable cleaning performance from corner to corner. The improved movement system also helps the robot operate more quietly and smoothly compared to older models. Safety remains a top priority with the WinBot W2S. Powerful suction technology keeps the robot firmly attached to glass surfaces, while the built-in safety tether and backup battery provide added protection during operation. This makes it ideal for high-rise apartments, large windows, and difficult-to-reach exterior glass. Another major advantage is its versatility. The WinBot W2S works effectively on various glass types, including framed windows, frameless glass, mirrors, and shower doors. Its user-friendly controls and quick setup process make it simple for anyone to use, even first-time robotic cleaner owners. At number 2 is the powerful HUTT S7 Pro, a robot built for serious cleaning performance. The HUTT S7 Pro is a premium robot window cleaner engineered for homeowners who demand powerful cleaning performance, intelligent automation, and reliable precision. Designed to tackle everything from everyday dust to stubborn grime, this advanced robotic cleaner transforms window maintenance into a fast, effortless experience while delivering professional-looking results on a wide range of glass surfaces. At the heart of the HUTT S7 Pro is its advanced dual ultrasonic spray system, which helps loosen dirt and break down tough stains before the cleaning pads wipe the surface clean. This creates a more effective and streak-free finish compared to traditional dry cleaning robots. Whether you're cleaning large living room windows, glass doors, office panels, or exterior windows exposed to dust and rain, the S7 Pro is built to handle demanding cleaning tasks with confidence. The intelligent AI-powered navigation system carefully maps cleaning paths to maximize coverage and reduce missed spots. Instead of moving randomly, the robot follows efficient cleaning patterns that improve both speed and consistency. Its upgraded brushless motor technology also enhances durability while maintaining powerful suction that keeps the robot securely attached to vertical glass surfaces throughout the cleaning process. One of the standout advantages of the HUTT S7 Pro is its ability to clean frameless and edge-to-edge glass with impressive accuracy. Advanced edge detection sensors help the robot navigate safely around borders while maintaining stable movement, even on large windows. This makes it an excellent option for modern homes with expansive glass designs and high-rise apartments where manual cleaning can be difficult or risky. Safety features are equally impressive. The built-in backup battery system and safety tether provide additional protection during operation, giving users peace of mind when cleaning elevated windows. Despite its strong suction and cleaning power, the robot operates smoothly and quietly, making it practical for daily home use. Taking the top spot is the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro OMNI. The Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro Omni represents the next level of smart home convenience, turning one of the most tiring household chores, window cleaning, into a fully automated, hands-free experience. Designed for modern homes filled with large glass panels, sliding doors, and high-rise windows, this advanced robot combines intelligent engineering, powerful cleaning performance, and premium automation into one sleek system. At the center of the WinBot W2 Pro Omni is its highly efficient cleaning technology, built to deliver crystal-clear results with minimal effort. The robot uses an intelligent spray and wipe system that evenly distributes cleaning solution across the glass surface, loosening dust, fingerprints, and stubborn smudges before wiping them away with precision microfiber pads. The result is a noticeably cleaner, streak-free finish that enhances visibility and brightness in any room. What makes the Omni version truly stand out is its all-in-one docking station. This smart base not only powers the device but also manages operation, storage, and control, creating a seamless cleaning experience from start to finish. With simplified setup and one-touch operation, users can start a full window cleaning cycle in seconds without dealing with complicated configurations or manual adjustments. Navigation is equally impressive. The WinBot W2 Pro Omni uses advanced path planning technology to intelligently map window surfaces, ensuring complete edge-to-edge coverage. It moves in optimized patterns rather than random motions, reducing missed spots and improving overall efficiency. Powerful suction keeps the robot firmly attached to vertical glass, while built-in safety systems, including backup power protection and a secure tether, provide extra peace of mind when cleaning elevated windows. Despite its strong performance, the robot operates quietly and smoothly, making it suitable for both home and office environments. It easily handles a wide variety of glass surfaces, from tall residential windows to mirrors, balcony doors, and office partitions. So that was our list of the top 5 best robot window cleaners in 2026. If you want the best value, go with the Ecovacs WinBot W2S. If you want powerful deep cleaning performance, the HUTT S7 Pro is a fantastic option. And if you want the ultimate premium experience, the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro OMNI takes the crown. All links to today's products are in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.